跟住咧去到第3條咯，就係問翻植物嘅營養佢嘅養分啊。咁啊，佢會利用硝酸鹽 nitrate 去製造以下啲乜嘢物質嘅成分咧？咁我哋有染色體啦、內質網啦，同埋類囊體膜啦。咁呢條題目啦，實質要考我哋嘅咧，就係講緊啦，硝酸鹽其實有咩用咧？就係作為一棵植物嘅氮嘅來源啦。今日氮有咩用先？氮可以攞嚟做好多嘢嘅，可以攞嚟製造氨基酸啦，可以攞嚟製造核苷酸啦。咁我哋各自啦，又有啲咩嘅用處咧？氨基酸攞嚟製造蛋白質，而核苷酸咧就攞嚟製造 DNA 或者 RNA。咁所以我哋就要去理解下啦，呢度3樣嘢，邊一樣係真係有一啲蛋白質或者有啲核酸響樹？所以佢哋應該係嚟自於硝酸鹽 nitrate 嘅氮咯。咁我哋就嚟做一擊破咯。第一啦，染色體嘅主要成分就係 DNA 咁就係攞核苷酸嚟整嘅。咁當然啦，蛋白質都有喺當中嘅，係咪？因為我哋有 histone protein 啊嘛，俾個 DNA 翹住噶嘛。咁但係最主要成分啦，都係 DNA 先啦。咁所以啦，有核苷酸，即係有氮啦，係咪？第一咧係正確嘅。然後啦，就去到第2咯，內質網。內質網又攞咩整嘅咧？其實佢個質地、佢個結構咧，就同我哋細胞膜都係好相近嘅，都有啲膜嘅結構啦，亦都嵌入咗好多嘅蛋白質啦。所以啦，佢都係有氮嘅存在，所以都係正確嘅。然後啦，去到第3啦，就係類囊體膜。咁作為個膜其實佢又係同細胞膜都係好似嘅。再加上啦，喺個類囊體膜當中咧，有好多嘅蛋白質作為一啲咧ATP 嘅合成嘅酶攞嚟做我哋嘅光化反應嘅蛋白質其實都喺呢一度噶。咁所以原來第3咧都係正確嘅，所以答案咧就係 D 咯。咁今次嘅題目咧，其實要考嘅嘢咧，其實唔係呢啲好複雜嘅東西。當初喺我哋學植物嘅營養作用嗰陣時咧，我哋已經學過噶啦。植物喺泥土就吸呢個礦物質，係嘛？佢自己吸光做光合作用，就製造碳水化合物。咁碳水化合物作為嗰個骨幹咧，加埋唔同類型嘅礦物質啦，係嘛？例如氮呢個硝酸鹽啦，有鉀有磷諸如此類咧，其實就製造到咧，就製造到脂肪啦，同埋蛋白質嘅。咁其實今次嘅題目咧，只係好似褪咗一步。你有硝酸鹽啦，整咗蛋白質出嚟啦，咁蛋白質可以有咩用啊？咁整細胞膜咪已經係咯。咁下次話整呢個葉綠素整酶咁得唔得啊？咁梗係又可以啦。咁所以啦，你見得到咧，過往12年啦、13年啦，佢哋咧就係由個碳水化合物嗰方面咧去問你嘅。然後就問下你佢用咩嘅模式去出現啦，係咪？呢2條都係非常之直白嘅題目嚟嘅。而2024年咧就問咗一條喺泥土級嘅呢個礦物質啦，就係問下肥料嘅吸收咯。咁今次咧得3成半嘅同學答啱嘅啫。咁下年會唔會又問啲相類似嘅嘢咧？咁我就諗到一條題目咯。今次又問植物，下次咪問下動物咯。咁如果動物啦，用氨基酸就攞嚟去製造以下呢啲結構嘅成分咧。咁第一啦就係 DNA， 第2啦就係呢個內質網，第3啦就係線粒體嘅內膜。咁你喺留言區留低嘅答案，睇下你嘅概念又清唔清咯。So for question 3 is about the plant nutrition. So the plant can use the nitrate for the synthesis of the component in following 3 structure: chromosome, endoplasmic reticulum, and thylakoid membrane. So for this question is checking us the concept about the role of the nitrate as the nitrogen source for the plant. So for the nitrogen, what thing can the plant to produce? They can use the nitrogen to produce the amino acid and the nucleotide. And for the amino acid and nucleotide, what can they produce later on? For protein and for the DNA or the RNA. And then later on, we need to identify which cell structures contain the protein or the nucleic acid that require nitrogen from the nitrate. So let's take a look at the answer one by one. First of all, chromosome. Chromosome is mainly made up of DNA and with the protein, the histone protein, right? So for the DNA, the basic unit is the nucleotide. The plants need the nitrate to produce the nucleotide. Therefore, option 1 is correct. And then for option 2, endoplasmic reticulum, so it's a membrane structure and it's also embedded a lot of proteins. Therefore, it also needs the nitrate to produce the component of the endoplasmic reticulum. And number 3, for the thylakoid membrane, is also a membrane structure. It contains a lot of protein, such as the ATP synthase and the photosystem for the photochemical reaction. Therefore, it also needs the nitrate to make up this protein, to produce this protein, right? For all these 3 answers are correct. So actually for this question, it's checking us the concept that the plant can absorb the minerals from the soil and then absorb the light to produce the carbohydrate by photosynthesis. And then the plants use the carbohydrate as the carbon skeleton to combine with the minerals, maybe nitrate, maybe potassium, maybe phosphorus, to produce the lipids or the protein. And then for the protein, what can it make? It seems like that, if the plants, they need to produce the cell membrane, which kind of minerals do they need? If they need to produce the chlorophyll, what kind of minerals do they need? And even the enzyme. So that's the idea. So just like 2012 and 2013, it starts the question from the carbon skeleton and then asks that, what thing can they produce? And then for the 2024, it's asking about the fertilizer. That means the minerals from the soil, right? And one thing I would like to share with you is that only 35% students got it correct this year. So maybe next year is still a hot topic, hot question. So any possible question variation, the animal can use amino acid for the synthesis of the component in deoxyribonucleic acid, endoplasmic reticulum, and inner membrane of the mitochondria. So leave your answer in the comment section and let's see your concept is clear or not. Because this time we talk about the plant, so maybe next time we talk about the animal, right?